Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix no internet connection in your Windows. So first thing first, what you should do is come below at the search bar, type in registry editor. Once it is so, open your registry editor. On your left hand side, you have to expand HKey local machine. Once done, you will see software down here, and you will also see system. You have to expand the system, and then from here expand current control set. Under current control set, you have to simply expand services. Under services, you have to locate NLASVC. Once done, expand parameters. Under here, you will see two things, cache and internet. You will have to select internet, and on your right hand side, you will see enable active probing. Right click onto it, click modify. This value should be set to 0. Once done, click OK. Now once it is so, close all this. Again, launch your registry editor. Open it. Now, once you restart your registry editor, you have to expand HKey local machine again. Once it is so, this time you have to expand software. Under software, you will see policies. Expand the policies, then expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, expand Windows here and locate network connectivity status indicator. Once it is so, you will see a blank page here. Right click onto it, click onto new, click on the word. Once done, you have to name the D word no active probe. And you have to again right click onto it, click modify, set the value to 1 and then OK. Once this is done, you have to restart your device and then this should fix your problem.